everyone, this is Yuvaraj Bhattacharjee from Return Zero. In this video, we are going to learn how to install VS Code on our laptop or desktop. First, go to your browser and search installing VS Code, enter. So then go to this website code.visualstudio.com, click, and then you will see something like this, Visual Studio Code on Windows. Go to this link, download the Visual Studio Code installer for Windows, click on this. So as you can see, our download has started. So let's wait for it to get downloaded. Okay, so it's downloaded. Now we just need to install this. Click on it. Then click I accept. Next, next, next. Make sure all the boxes are ticked. Okay, so all the boxes are ticked. Next, install. So while it gets installed, we can do one thing. We can download the compiler for C. So what you can do is you can go to C++ and then click on GCC on Windows, and you will be seeing something like this, using GCC with MinGW. Okay, so go down and you will find something like this, install MinGW W64. Okay, so click on MinGW W64, and okay, so our download is going to start shortly. Let's wait. So okay, so it has downloaded. Click on this. Now we just need to install this. Yes, click on next. Next. So remember one thing, you just need to remember this, like in my computer it's getting downloaded in disk C, program files x86. So just remember this path, because in your computer it might be different. Okay, so next. So this process will take some time depending upon your internet speed, so please be a little patient. Okay, so the installing of the files is done. Now let us click next, then finally click finish. Now we can close all this. Okay, now I don't need to launch Visual Studio Code. Finish. Okay, so now we need to do one thing, is we need to go to this PC and then go to C drive, because in my case MinGW got downloaded in C drive. Okay, so C drive, program files x86, then search MinGW, here it is. Go inside. So then go to this bin folder. Now you need to do one thing, is click on this white space and you will see that the path is already selected. Just Ctrl+C and this gets copied, or you can do one thing, you can just simply select this path and right click and then just copy. Okay, so now we can close this. Next step is go to the search and search for control panel. Okay, so in control panel, go to system, something like this will come. Then go to advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, go to environment variables. In environment variables, click on path, click on edit, and now what you need to do is click on new and just simply Ctrl+V, or just paste the path which you copied just before, and now you need to just click OK, OK, OK. So now more or less everything is done, and now we can open our Visual Studio Code. Okay, so VS Code has started. Now we just need to install some extensions. So for installing extensions, you can go to this icon and search for first extension is C++. So click on this C++ IntelliSense. So it's by Microsoft. In my case it's showing uninstall. This is because it's already installed in my computer, but if you are installing this for the first time, it will be showing only install, so just install it. And secondly, we need another extension which is going to be code runner. So this is code runner, and similarly you will find install only if you are installing this code runner for the first time. Okay, now that we have downloaded and installed two of our extensions. Okay, so now let me talk about a handy feature. First, let's close this. Let's go to file, and then here you will find a feature, autosave. So click on this and you can see autosave is turned on. So what autosave does is basically it automatically saves our code. So this is one thing we can do. Okay, so now let's run our first program. Let's do one thing. Let's create a new folder and let's name it programs. Okay, open it and right click, and you will find an option open with code. Click on this and VS Code opener. So you can close this, getting started. And inside the programs folder, you just need to create a new file. Click on this icon and it asks for a name. Let's name this hello world.c, and let's type our first code. Okay, so now it's done. And now how we can run this program is by simply clicking on this triangle, and as you can see the hello world is printed, but it prints it in the output, as you can see. So if we want our output in terminal here, so we can do is, first let's close this. Let's go to settings, click on this wheel and go to settings, and here search settings, type terminal. You will see something like this, and you will find an option here, run code config. So you will find an option code runner, run in terminal. Just check this box whether to run code in integrated terminal. If it's done, okay. If it's done before, you can just simply keep it as it is and then click stop. And then now what we can do, let's run it again, and as you can see inside the terminal it's printed hello world. Okay, so I hope you all like this video. So that's all for this video. So like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.